Welcome back to my face shaping studio, and today we will get a natural facelift and sculpting in just 10 minutes. Follow along with me because we will be doing this all together. Today we will be targeting neckline, fine lines smoothing, our neck and jaw lifting and sculpting, and of course the face lymphatic drainage and natural depuffing and deswelling. So stay with me within the next 10 minutes and you will feel the difference. And by the way, today is day 12 of our series of face shaping challenge. Today we will be needing an oil. Make sure that your face is clean before you apply the oil, so grab your gua sha and we are jumping in. We shall begin with applying the oil because the special technique I'm going to show you will also create an additional effect. So put the oil, or again whatever product you are having, in between your arms, and we will spread it around our neckline first, a little bit on the neck, and now I will show you the special way on how to put the oil. So we are working in this direction with your palm. You are kind of already starting to smooth out the area of your neckline, and here, because we will be working in this part from the very beginning with our gua sha. All right, and don't forget about the armpit. I am using my thumb to locate the area of the lymphatic drainage. At the same time, I'm pushing through in this side and also from another. Smooth out, smooth out. Next is coming our neck. As you can see, add more oil if you need, and now we will work on the sides, going down, 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 and down. This is how we're opening our lymphatic corridors later for gua sha to have to provide us with a better result. Add more oil on your palms, or again whatever product you are using, and we will be starting to apply it on our face. This is going to be pumping movements, so not stroking like I was doing in the neckline or the neck, but pumping, starting from the center to the edges of our face. Follow along the neck lines. The nose we will do in this way. And now on the forehead. You can already notice how your face is getting red. This is because the lymph is moving. Okay. This is the effect we are looking for. And now with our knuckles, you're going everything down, 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 down. Smooth out and smoothing out. Now grab your gua sha and we will begin with the neckline again. Use the long edge of the gua sha and smooth out. You are working over the breast, the mammary glands. The area is over the armpit, and of course the armpit. The other side. And the mammary and the armpit. We are almost done here. We are moving forward to the clavicles. In this area we have lymphatic nodes and we need to pump them. So use this side of gua sha, put them like this, and do 10 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. And now put your gua sha and we will pump this ear. With the exhale, you are pushing over the clavicles. 10 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Great job. We are moving to the area of our neck. Put your arm over here, grab the platysma and put it up. We will create the lifting effect at the same time, open up the channel for our lymphatic system. The other side, again, we're using with this area of gua sha. And now the same, but down. And the other side, down. Now let's work with the jaw. Grab your neck over here to protect the thyroid and move up. Here, a little bit lower. And here, like this. So we are having kind of arc of protection. Perfect. And now we will go along the jawline and the splingle area. Again, put your gua sha like this. And to the side. 1. We are gonna do it 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Grip gua sha. Smooth this area with hands and open along the neck. And we are moving to our face. With this area of our face, the chin, hide your lips. Use the long edge of gua sha and shave your chin. And now with this sharp edge of gua sha, we are going to holding our tissues right here and lifting the edges of the mouth. The other side. Working with the depressors, this part. Next, hold your mouth like this and go. We will work under. We will lift the area of the jawline. Again, use the sharp edge. Hold your arm. Hold your mouth over here to touching the tissues, not to stretch them. Now we will do the lifting effect. If you are having very thin face, you are going to do 5, 6 times. All the rest with me are doing 8 times. Hold the tissues like this and lift. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A little bit higher from the edges of the mouth. Again, holding the mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you feel the lifting effect? It's already working. Now we will work with our mouth and the marionettes around the mouth. Hide your lips again. And with the sharp edge of gua sha, we are going to smooth it. And under also. Now open your lips. Let's increase the blood flow and make our lips more plump. Going to work with our smile lines. Working with our smile lines. Now grab your mouth like this and smooth them out. The other side. And now we're going to go along the cheekbones. If you have a thin face, do it 3 to 5 times. The rest are doing the same 8 with me. Holding with the nose until the temporalis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The edges of the nose. We are smoothing the lines of our muscle which is lifting the upper lip, which is going like this. We need to smooth it out to get rid of the wrinkles around the nose and depuff our nose, which is very, very important. After depuff the nose, we will lift the area under our eyes and the eyebrows. So you need to walk along the bone only. Do not touch the soft tissues. And we do again 8 times with me and 3 to 5 if you have a thin face. Starting with the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Almost done. 6, 7, and 8. The frown area, using the long area of gua sha, we are vibrating and lifting it up. Hold it with your nose, like this. Perfect. Lifting, vibrating, and removing the spasm. And now along the eyebrows. 1, 2, everyone is doing the same 8 times. 3, 4, even if you are thin. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And the other side, the eyebrow. 1, 2, hold with the nose. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now lifting effect. Diagonally, we will do like this. Lift the eyebrows. Be careful not to put any bruise. And the other side. We have almost finished. We have one last exercise with our eyebrows to do. With the edge of gua sha, vibrate your eyebrow. This will be painful, but the effect will be amazing. At the same time, lift, lift, lift. And the other side. One more time, especially in the beginning of the eyebrow. And we Finished. Now hit a little with your arms and let's lift our face all together. Don't push too hard, don't forget to hit. Lift, 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 lift. Don't push, we are working with the lymph. It's very light strokes. Under, down, and open. I hope that you have enjoyed today's class. Don't forget to subscribe, and until the next day. Bye bye.